people, you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel I make videos that shows how to get various things done easy and simple. In today's video I will be showing you how to call anyone without showing your phone number. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first, you want to click on your Google Chrome and then you want to go ahead and search for Globe Phone. Globe Phone. Okay, once you get to this point, just click on Globe Phone from the search. Just scroll down. As you can see, we have 4 different options: video, share, SMS, and call. But we're going to be making use of the call. So you click on call. Just scroll up. So here you can just decide to select the country you want to call. You can just choose any of the countries here, but I'm going to be leaving it at Gambia because I'm actually in the Gambia at the moment. So you just put in the number you want to call. So I'm just going to put in this number and then click on this box, I am not a robot. Once the box is checked, then you can click on call. So as you can see, it's placing in the call. Now your ID is hidden. So this is how you go about calling without showing your ID. This is how you go about making calls without showing your phone number. Thank you very much, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button so you can be JoJo connected. See you in the next video.